Your book cover is the very first thing readers see, Nantferskot. And in the world of children's books, it's what makes a child stop, smile, and want to pick it up. A great story deserves a cover that instantly captures attention and emotion. The best covers are simple but powerful. They clearly show who the story is about and give a hint of the adventure inside. Avoid clutter or too many details. One strong image is always more memorable than many small ones. Colors play a huge role too. Bright, contrasting colors grab attention, while softer tones create a calm, dreamy feeling. Choose a color palette that matches the mood of your story, whether it's playful, magical, or heartfelt. Typography matters just as much as the artwork. Your title should be easy to read. The font style should complement the illustration. Fun and rounded for silly stories, elegant for gentle ones, bold for adventures. At US Illustrations, our designers and illustrators work together to ensure your cover looks professional, balanced, and market-ready, both for print and digital platforms like Amazon KDP. Remember, your book cover isn't just decoration, it's your story's invitation to the world. If you'd like full guidance on writing, illustrating, designing, and publishing your children's book, we offer a free 30-minute consultation at US Illustrations. Click the link in the description to book your session today.